Hi guys, I'm here with a shop share, not even, well yeah, shop share, but a shop update, that's the word I'm looking for. It's been a crazy manic morning. Yeah, so a lot of you guys will probably already know about these because they've been in the shop for a couple of days, and thanks to the fabulous Gail, yesterday she did a video and showing off. Well, she actually didn't show off these. She showed off my bricks kit, brick theme kit, but she also shared the information that I gave her after saying she would do the share. And you guys went over to the shop and it's just gone absolutely manic. But these labels are in the shop. But yes, so I will get to these and then I will tell you the information that I shared with Gail. First of all, I'm going to show you this one. You've seen these labels before, but not these specific ones. This design label before you've seen. This design of labels you have seen before. I cannot speak this morning, guys. I'm so sorry. Because well, I created them, basically. I knocked them up quickly in Word. Did 3 different coloured backgrounds on them and stuck them in the shop, and they've been quite popular actually, but I've altered them slightly. The shapes and everything are exactly the same, but the way you receive them, yeah, I'll just show you what I mean. The original ones, I only provided you with the large version. There was 3 different colours and I provided you with just the large version and then told you ideally you want to be printing them 2 or 4 to a page. This one is an orange one, and this is the only one you get. You get 3 downloads, but I've already put them 2 and 4 to a page for you because some of you was not struggling but not really understanding what I meant, which is fine, you know. Sometimes I don't explain myself properly. So yes, so this orange kit, before I go any further, I will just tell you guys, this orange kit, as I said, the labels themselves are my creations. They're not my actual creations. I did them in Word. But yeah, I did all the layout and everything. And then my design team member, Barb Dingwell, hi sweetie, she recoloured them for me and made them orange. She just messaged me, she's like, I've been playing and I thought these might be okay for like a Halloween theme. I'm like, yes, they are amazing. Not only will they do for Halloween, but at the moment a lot of people are doing like fall, autumn style journals and they print amazing. Somebody commented, no, where were it? I think it was in one of the junk journal groups that I posted them in, and somebody commented about these ones looking really cool because they look like cork board. I'm like, oh yeah, they actually do, don't they? They are really cool. But yeah, so I don't know how well it's picking up on here, but you've got these ones, then like the marbled ones, and then the paler ones, and they're brilliant for stamping over. But yes, so you get this large version, and like I said, they are quite large. Then you will get the 2 to a page version, which makes them just a little bit smaller and maybe just a bit larger than labels that we are pretty much used to using by other people. Then you get them printed 4 to a page, which is pretty much normal label size to what we've all been using from people like Tracy and so on. Yeah. So you kind of get a large, medium and small version, and that is what you get in the kit. There's these 3 these 3 files for you to print out, and if you print them out, that's how they will come out. Didn't explain that really well, did I? Anyway, I'm all flustered today. But yes, so this is the orange kit, and as I said, in the orange kit you will get files that print out large, medium and small, and that kit is thanks to my design team member Barb, who created them and gave me permission to sell. Thank you, honey. And then this one is mine. I did this one, and I did this one based on this, which I haven't released yet. I've had a lot of people ask about it. I haven't released it yet. I use this a lot. It is part of my jelly print play session that I had ages ago. It's one I've done a few different ones, different colours, even these colours, but slightly different outcomes. But this one, I don't know why, but I am so drawn to this one all the time, and so it gets used a lot. On the end of this video, you will see the bit that pops up saying thank you for your support. This is the background that I used. I used this for the background. And anybody who's purchased the butterfly kit, this is also the background in the butterfly kit. I've just toned down the colours a little bit. And I used it in one of the other kits, and I cannot for the life of me remember which one right now. Or did I? Oh, no, yes, sorry, I did use it in another kit, but I had to pull that kit. Yeah, due to some issues with it. But, yeah, so you will actually see this featured a lot in various colour schemes. But the butterfly kit is pretty much the same colours as this, it's just a little bit more toned out. But I took this background and I turned it into labels. This kit will come to the shop soon, guys, because I've had a lot of interest on it. But yeah, so I just took it and turned it into labels. So there you go. And this is the orange labels kit, and this is Blurples. You're very creative. Blue and purple Blurple. But yeah, funny. I used that because it is actually a recognised colour scheme, sort of, within the beading community. So yeah, when I were doing this kit, it was like, oh my gosh, Blurples immediately springs to mind, because I have a selection of beads or bead soup, where just loads of blue and purples, different coloured blues, teals, purples, pinks, were all mixed together, and we usually call it bead soup. But the name of that particular kind of bead soup is when you've loads of different colours mixed together. They do refer to it as Blurple, so I'm like, yeah, that's what I'm calling this kit. And this, when it's released, will be called the Blurples backgrounds. But yeah, anyway, again, with this one you will get this. So you will get 3 files, 4 including the terms of use file. Which I've noticed some of you aren't actually downloading, which is fine, but please make sure you do follow the terms of use. And yes, it does tell me on Etsy which files you download and which ones you don't. Just an FYI for you there, guys. But yes, so again, you get 3 files and printed out. They will print out as large, 2 to a page, which is medium, and then 4 to a page, which is the small. And as I said, they print out great. These are just printed on normal print paper, so 80 GSM. And yes, guys, so like I said, they print out awesome. Sorry, I thought I heard the door. It's the bin men. They print out awesome on just normal print paper. Obviously they'll print out a lot more clearer and vibrant on other styles of paper. But yes, so there you go. And yeah, lost my train of thought. They print out perfect. They are amazing for stamping on. They really, really are. So there you go, guys. There are my Blurples labels. I love them. Yep. And then there are the orange labels. So, and yes, I know there's a bit of a mistake on this. It says do not sell, scan or use these tags in any digital format. It should be labels. It's because I copy and pasted that from a different kit that I was using and forgot to change tags to labels. But you know, but yeah, so there's the orange ones that Barb recoloured. Thank you, honey. Yes, so there you go, guys. And a little bit of other information for you guys right now, with regards to why I'm all in a bit of a tizzy today and not functioning or focusing very well. Currently, today is the Friday the 18th of September. It doesn't matter about the time, but today is Friday the 18th of September. I am actually going to put this video up today. I was going to wait, but I will put it up today because right now, right this minute, in the Etsy shop, there is a 50% sale on all digitals only, not physical items. There are a few physical items in the shop for sale, but the discount at the sale, sorry, is only eligible for digitals only. Yeah, so go and grab yourselves a bargain, guys. That is why I'm all in a bit of a tizzy right now, because I passed that information on to Gail when I sent her the bricks kit, and she said she was going to show them off. I passed that information on to her, so she did a video yesterday giving you guys that information, and the shop just went absolutely crazy. I kind of didn't really know anything about it. She'd said about doing the video, and then she said it'll air probably towards the end of next week. Excuse me, which I was thinking next week, but she actually heard it yesterday, so I was like, whoa. I knew nothing about it until my phone's going ping, 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 crazy like mad, and almost vibrated off the table. I'm like, what's going on here? No, I bet the internet's kicked in and all my notifications are coming through at once. I didn't know what were going on at the time because I was, you know, playing in the background with grandbaby number 4 as his mummy was here doing my front garden for me. Yeah, so I picked my phone up to have a look, and it was just Etsy, 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 Etsy. I'm like, what's going on here? So I went to have a look, and it was like, whoa, okay. So what suddenly sparked that? That's, you know. And then I went over to have a look, a bit closer inspection on the Etsy sales, and there was a message there from somebody called Catherine. Hi, if you're watching, saying it just said Gail's been sharing today with a smiley face and some hearts, and I'm like, okay, right, I get it now. Yeah, makes sense now. So I went over and watched Gail's video. I'm like, yes. And yeah, thank you so much, Gail. And thank you so much to everybody that went over and purchased, and still is. My phone at the moment is in airplane mode and do not disturb because it's still pinging like crazy this morning, obviously due to different time zones. Yeah, and many of you, and I'm not sure if all of you, but many of you, many of the people that have purchased have come from Gail's channel, because they've been telling me so in the message. Like when you purchase a kit, there's an option to send a message to the seller, and a lot of you have been saying hear from Gail, you know, sort of thing. So thank you so much, guys. But yeah, so I just thought I would come on because I'm behind in doing these. I thought I'd come on and show you guys these. They are already in the shop, and like I said, the 50% sale is automatic. Everything is automatically reduced right now, so it will show you what it was and what it is now. That's what you get it for. No codes or anything needed. But also to let you guys know, that sale will end on the 30th of September. So it runs from the end right through to the end of this month. So on the 30th of September, I think it's midnight GMT time, whatever, that will end. And then on the 1st of October through till the 31st of October, so the full month of October, you can get, the kits will go back up to normal price, but you guys can get them with a 40% discount using the coupon NCUK 40. I will pop it in the description. You will not be eligible for discount unless you use that code at checkout, and that will run throughout the whole of next month to celebrate my birthday month. Next month is my birthday, and on the 19th I will be 40, hence the 40% off. So I figured, you know what, we've recently just hit the 1,000 subbies milestone. It's nearly my birthday, so we'll do something special. And stay tuned, not today, but stay tuned. Actually tomorrow, Social Saturday tomorrow, guys. Stay tuned tomorrow, because there will be quite a few exciting and happy announcements in tomorrow's video, tomorrow's Social Saturday video, with regards to, again, I'll mention the sale and the coupon and the giveaway. If you want a sneaky peek at what the prizes are going to be, then watch tomorrow's Social Saturday video, guys. In the meantime, as I said, pop on down below and check out the coupon code that you will need next month. You don't need it this month. It will not apply this month. It's set up to run from the 1st to the 31st of October, so you will not be able to use it today. Like if you go to the shop today, it will not count if you put it in today. It will not run alongside the sale that's already on, otherwise it'd bankrupt me. But yeah, but like I said, guys, I need to stress the fact you will not be eligible for that 40% discount on any digitals that you purchase next month if you do not use that code. And I'm sorry, but there's no point buying and then coming to me going, oh, I forgot to use the code. If you don't use the code, you won't get the discount. I'm sorry, guys, that's just the way it goes. But yes, so like I said, all that will be in the description. And then what else were I just gonna say? I've completely lost my train of thought. Nothing unusual. Yeah, anyway, so yeah, there you go, that's that anyway. And like I said, check out tomorrow's Social Saturday video for updates and announcements. And I think that's it, guys. I've completely lost my train of thought, so I'm going to go. It must not have been that important. And even if it was, then I'll remember it and I'll announce it in tomorrow's Social Saturday video. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much. Oh, yeah, that was what I was going to say. Next month's code, the discount code, again, will only apply to digitals, not physical items, digitals only. So the 50% sale that's running now till the 30th of September, digitals only, and the coupon code for next month, again, digitals only, not physical items. That's what I'm going to say. But yes, so thank you so much for watching, guys, and thank you again, Gail, for your support. Thank you for all you guys for your support as well, and I will speak to you all again very soon. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.